Close your eyes for 5 seconds. Now imagine your dream life. Not a fantasy, but the version of your life where you've already made it. You wake up in your dream home. You check your bank balance. It's overflowing. You feel free, confident, at peace. Here's the crazy truth. If you can see it, you can start building it. This is the power of visualization, and it's how the most successful people manifest their reality. Visualization is not just spiritual talk. It's science. Your brain literally doesn't know the difference between something vividly imagined and something real. When athletes visualize winning a race, their muscles fire as if they're already running. When you visualize your goals, you are programming your brain to recognize opportunities, take actions, and believe you belong at that level. It's like giving your GPS a destination. Without it, you are just driving aimlessly through life. Visualization isn't daydreaming. It's focused creation. And here's the 3-step blueprint. First, clarity. Get specific. What exactly does your dream life look like? What city do you live in? How much do you earn monthly? What kind of people do you work with? The clearer your vision, the stronger the pull. Second, emotion. Feel it deeply. If you can't feel excited, grateful, or proud of that future, it won't stick. Emotion is what turns a vision into a command for your subconscious. Third, repetition. Do it daily, morning or night. Close your eyes, see your future, and live it mentally. This is mental training. Not once, not twice, daily. Repetition is what rewires your mind and makes the impossible feel normal. Here's the real problem. Most people already visualize every day, but they're visualizing fear, failure. What if it doesn't work out? What if I'm not good enough? So let me ask you this. What if you flip that lens? What if you stopped visualizing what could go wrong and started feeding your mind with what could go right? Your future isn't in your hustle. It's in your vision. The clearer and more powerful your mental image, the faster your reality will catch up. Subscribe to Billionaire Fuel Station, because here, we don't just motivate you. We help you manifest it, systemize it, and live it.